The world is changing. We use digital money every day, but there's something new, cryptocurrencies and tokens. They're changing how we think about money and value. It's like a new gold rush, but digital. Cryptocurrencies and tokens might seem similar at first, but they're different. Understanding the difference is important. It helps you make smart decisions about your money. Cryptocurrencies are digital money. They're like Bitcoin or Ethereum. They use cryptography for security. This makes them safe and difficult to counterfeit. Cryptocurrencies run on their own blockchains. A blockchain is a digital record of transactions. It's like a giant secure ledger. This makes transactions transparent and secure. Tokens are also digital assets. They are unique in their functionality and purpose, but they're different from cryptocurrencies. While cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have their own blockchains, tokens do not. They don't have their own blockchains. Instead, they rely on the infrastructure of existing blockchains. They run on existing blockchains like Ethereum. Tokens can represent anything from assets to rights. Think of them like digital vouchers. They can be used in various ways depending on their design and purpose. They can represent value, access, or ownership. This versatility makes them powerful tools in the digital economy. For example, a token could represent a share in a company, access to a service, or even a voting right in a decentralized organization. They can also represent unique items like a piece of digital art, making them integral to the world of NFTs and beyond. Section 4, Crypto versus Token. Understanding the difference. The main difference, cryptocurrencies are primarily used as money. They function as a medium of exchange, a store of value, and a unit of account. Bitcoin, for example, is often referred to as digital gold because of its value and limited supply. Tokens have more diverse uses. They can be used within a specific platform or ecosystem, often representing assets or utilities. For instance, some tokens give you access to a particular service or product within a blockchain network. They can represent anything of value. This includes real-world assets like real estate, stocks, or even art. Tokens can also be used for governance, allowing holders to vote on decisions within a blockchain project. Think of it like this. Cryptocurrencies are like gold, while tokens are like diamonds. Gold is universally recognized and valued, much like cryptocurrencies. Diamonds, on the other hand, have specific uses and can vary greatly in value and purpose, similar to tokens. Both are valuable, but they have different uses. While gold is often used as a hedge against inflation, diamonds are used in jewelry and industrial applications. Similarly, cryptocurrencies and tokens serve different roles in the digital economy. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning no single entity controls them. This decentralization is achieved through blockchain technology, which ensures transparency and security. Bitcoin and Ethereum are prime examples of decentralized cryptocurrencies. Tokens can be centralized or decentralized depending on how they're created and managed. Centralized tokens are controlled by a single entity, while decentralized tokens operate on a blockchain, giving more power to the community. Section 5, the importance of knowing the difference. Why should you care about the difference? Because knowledge is power. Understanding the nuances between different types of investments can significantly impact your financial future. It's not just about knowing what to invest in, but also understanding the risks and rewards associated with each option. When you understand the difference, you can make informed investment decisions. This means you can strategically allocate your resources to maximize returns while minimizing risks. It's about being smart with your money and making choices that align with your financial goals. You can identify opportunities and avoid scams. In the fast-paced world of digital assets, scams are unfortunately common. By being well-informed, you can spot red flags and protect your investments from fraudulent schemes. The world of digital assets is exciting. It's full of opportunities. From cryptocurrencies to blockchain technology, the potential for growth and innovation is immense. However, with great opportunity comes great responsibility. But it's important to tread carefully. Do your research. Ask questions. Never jump into an investment without fully understanding what you're getting into. Seek advice from experts and stay updated with the latest trends and news. And never invest more than you can afford to lose. This is a fundamental rule in investing. Always have a safety net and ensure that your financial well-being is not jeopardized by risky investments. The future of finance is here. With advancements in technology, the financial landscape is rapidly evolving. Embrace the change, but do so with caution and wisdom. Be a part of it. Join the revolution, but remember to stay informed and make decisions that are right for you. The journey of investing is as important as the destination.